Today at Mullin Machinery we have a Dumore 3 horsepower lathe tool post grinder. Real nice shape. It's all original paint. I believe this is called the Series 25. Currently wired for 220 volt 3-phase. Someone's got a small wheel in that, about an 8-inch wheel. This will handle a 12-inch wheel. It's got a block wherever they mounted it on their lathe. It's got the push button switch on the back. Unit's in real nice shape. These things new are just over $4,000. You can check this out on our website, mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs.